हे एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप लोग। होप करते हो आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, हम भी अच्छे हैं। तो आज फिर हम आ गए जो के स्कूल में एनुअल डे के फंक्शन में हमें इनवाइट किया गया है, जिसपे जो भी पार्टिसिपेट किया है और बाकी बच्चों भी किया है। जो यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम होगा वो सम्राट अशोक के ऊपर होगा। चलते अभी देखेंगे बच्चों लोग कैसे करेंगे परफॉर्मेंस। तो स्टे ट्यून, वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा।
A saga unfolds, dreams nurtured with care, values it beholds. Welcome to this day of joy and pride, where past and future beautifully collide. Celebrating 20 years of a vision so bold, Delhi Public Schools Sushant Lok, a story retold. Welcome to this gala where dreams take flight, a reflection of brilliance shining ever so bright. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an absolute delight to welcome you all to this grand occasion. Delhi Public Schools Sushant Lok's Annual Day Celebration 2024. Absolutely thrilled to see such a wonderful gathering of
in the kingdom of Magad, where King Bindusar, the ruler of Patliputra, is celebrating the grand Nagarotsav with his numerous queens and 100 sons.
महाराज बिंदुसार की जय। महाराज बिंदुसार की जय। महाराज बिंदुसार की जय।
People of Patliputra, scholars and wise men, today the world will witness how Magad, under my reign as the son of the great emperor, let the grand Nagarotsav begin.
Arango, Arango, Arango.
handle it?
We have no interest in completing Sushim's incomplete tasks, Pitaji Maharaj.
This is not about your interest. Minimal weapons.
You may keep that minimum too. Sushim may need them.
Such arrogance.
It is not arrogance, brother. It is confidence.
How long until I receive the news that the rebellion in Takshashila is crushed?
The king asks how long. 2 days earlier than the time it takes to reach Takshashila. Magad Samrat ki jai. Kooch karo.
Felt like a coward. Now he sends you with just a handful of soldiers. I know you are brave, Ashok, but if you wear the crown of foolishness atop your bravery, death is certain.
Bravery is so lofty that nothing else can be placed upon it. Worry not about my crown. Abandon this rebellion and reunite with Magad once again.
We have our reasons for this rebellion and our demands. Fulfill them.
That is impossible.
Then fight and die.
That too is impossible.
Then what is possible?
Your self-surrender.
Huh? You come here with just a few soldiers expecting that I will surrender? That too is impossible. Ashok,
It is possible. When your army is gone, you will be left alone, won't you?
have you seen the strength of my army?
I see it clearly, but you do not. Tell me now, what is possible and what is impossible?
Ashok, you are not only an extraordinary strategist, but also, you are not just brave, but also an extraordinary strategist. You have pitted my own army against me. I surrender.
Inform King Bindusar that the rebellion of Takshashila bows before Ashok.
A news from Patliputra already awaits you, Rajkumar.
What is it?
Sushim is consuming King Bindusar's mental faculties like a snake coiling around its prey. As a result, Maharaj has ordered you to go into exile.
Huh. So exile is my reward for this victory in Takshashila.
Never! If you can crush this rebellion, we can also make one. Let's attack Patliputra and place you on your throne. Yes! That is where you belong.
That place may be right, but the time is not right yet. We must wait for the right moment. The ones who are sending us to exile will themselves call us back one day. Till then, just remain patient. Wait for the right moment. Ashok will not only go into exile, but will also remain incognito. Agyatwas!
But where will you be during this incognito? How will we find you? Where will we meet?
You'll find me in Kaling.
You go ahead and check what it is. Me? Alright. Fine. Can you see anything? What kind of fish is it? Yes, I see something. But it's not a fish. Not a fish? Then what is it? It's a crocodile! A crocodile? Well, quite a handsome crocodile.
Forgive me, but no fishes today. Your net remains empty.
Yes, because you were sitting in the water holding my net. Now my father will scold me.
Why will he scold you?
He will ask, what have I caught today? What do I tell him? Let's take him along and say that's what we caught today.
That's a good idea. Take me along.
Stay there. Back. Further back. Who are you? And why would you bother someone like this?
I am Ashok, the son of King Bindusar of Magad.
Ashok? You? Ashok?
Yes, I am.
If you are Ashok, then I am the princess of Kalinga.
I am King Ananta of Kaling.
Namaste, Maharaj. Jeeti raho, putriyo.
All that is fine, but I am Ashok and you are called Baki.
Really? You know my name?
I know everything about you. I saw you here a few days ago. I was in disguise and fell in love with your beauty at first sight. I wanted to know who this enchanting woman was. The one who captured Ashok's heart.
So, you know me. What did you learn?
I learned that you're as beautiful as you're kind, graceful, wise, and a devotee of the divine. And with all of this,
With all of this,
from today, you shall also be Ashok's beloved.
आलों की फुहार है, तू स्वयं श्रृंगार है। आलों की फुहार है, इन संग मन कोमल हुआ, तेरा ही उपकार है। ओ आश्रय मन ने पा लिया, गीत प्रेम का गा लिया। तू ही अब संसार है, मैंने तो सब कुछ पा लिया। तारे मेरी सांसें चंद्रमा तू, ओ प्रियतमा प्रियतमा तू।
Rajkumar Ashok.
You all have come at a most inconvenient time, soldiers. But now that you're here, tell me,
There's a message from Maharaj Bindusar.
wonderful.
Surely that incompetent Sushim must have left some tasks unfinished. Tell me,
The rebellion in Ujjain has peaked, and the administration is unable to handle the situation. This time, it's not just a game of strategy. This time, it's a real bloodshed. The king has ordered you to go there and stabilize things.
let Sushim handle the politics in Patliputra, and when blood must be shed, it is Ashok who must go. If tomorrow Ashok becomes a brutal killer, the blame will fall on King Bindusar. I hope history remembers this. Who are you? Why do you tend to me?
Because you are wounded and you need care. The Buddha teaches us to serve those in need.
And who are these others?
They are the God pictures. It is they who have given me the virtues of service to humanity, peace and non-violence.
But they serve my enemies as well.
The Buddha and his followers have no enemies. Even those who oppose us need our compassion.
So who do you truly serve? Me?
Neither you nor your enemies. I serve only the Buddha.
What is your name?
Tisya Raksha.
Feel the weight of his own decision. Now laid his eyes on the throne of Patliputra.
When you were coming from Ujjain to Patliputra, Maharaj Bindusar passed away,
And Shishim proclaimed himself the heir to the throne.
Of course he did. You weren't here.
How many ministers stand with him?
None by heart. Those who are with him are either coerced or terrified. Arrogance Sushim struck him in the court just days ago.
Yes, he did.
All the ministers are shaken.
Tell me one thing. If I declare myself king and attack Shishim, how many ministers will rally behind me?
All of us.
All of us.
Why though?
Because you are Ashok, and he is Sushim.
No, I am no longer just a Ashok.
What do you mean?
I mean, I am no longer merely a Ashok. I am about to become Jang Ashok!
निर्दयी बन गया क्रूरता से तन गया स्नान करके रुधिर में काल रोग बन गया निर्दयी बन गया क्रूरता से तन गया स्नान करके रुधिर में काल रोग बन गया मार भाइयों को राजा काल ठोक बन गया था अशोक आज से ये चंड अशोक बन गया था अशोक आज से ये चंड अशोक बन गया
Ashok, what is all this?
The Tandava politics and warfare.
What do you want?
Rule,
Then go to Jain and claim it. That is what was given to you.
not to Jan, all of Magad, the entire world.
I am seated on the throne of Magad. Pitaji Maharaj appointed me.
What our Pitaji Maharaj did wasn't seen by anyone. What Chand Ashok will do shall be witnessed by all.
Chand Ashok?
वीर है ये पर नहीं है वीर जैसा संतुलन जो झुके ना इसके आगे कर दे उस पे आक्रमण जानता ये एक मंत्र बस अहिंसा का ही यंत्र संशता का क्रूरता का एक प्रयोग बन गया था अशोक आज से ये चंड अशोक बन गया निर्दयी बन गया क्रूरता से तन गया स्नान करके रुधिर
Do
में
not acknowledge you as their leader. They claim you are exceedingly cruel and ruthless.
If they believe that, then let me show them true cruelty. Let their skins be peeled off their bodies.
Maharaj, these women refuse to serve in your palace. They think you are so barbaric and hideous that it sends shivers through their souls.
If they believe that, then let me show them true cruelty. Let them be burned in blazing fire alive.
चाहिए संपूर्ण जगत पर इसे है अहंकार में न ईश्वर का डर इसे जीवन की आशा इसके शासन में ना रही धरती का कोना कोना मृत्यु लोक बन गया था अशोक आज से ये चंड अशोक बन गया था अशोक आज से ये चंड अशोक बन शरणम
I asked a question. Say something. Devi, where is my beloved son Mahendra and my dear daughter Sanmitra?
Wherever they are safe, content, and walking on the right path.
And what is his right path?
The path that you have strayed from. The path of peace, the path of compassion, the path of dharma, the path of love.
Ashok, the same path where I first found you.
Ashok, the same path we all are walking now. The path of Buddha.
Path of Buddha? No, never. I am only one path. And that is my rule. I must become the ruler of entire world. I must conquer the whole earth.
Then conquer it, Ashok. But not with your cruelty. Conquer it with love. Conquer it with the wisdom of Buddha. Spread that wisdom across the world. You have the power. The entire world will unite with you. Killing, slaughter and cruelty are not the only ways to win. Love and compassion are also ways to win. And they are the right ways.
Can't conquer the world with love and compassion, mother.
But you can win hearts. And once you have won hearts, the desire to conquer path of Buddha is beyond victory and defeat. It is the path of renunciation, a path of seeking Diksha.
So all of God will become a monk to wear these robes, take a begging bowl in my hand and roam from door to door asking for Bhiksha? The great Emperor Ashok, a monk?
We are all monks, son. We've always been. You became an emperor later. But before that, we were all just beggars in this life. Every moment, we beg from the divine for even the air we breathe.
Ashok doesn't beg. He takes what he wants.
But when Ashok takes by force, he spreads unrest in the world. And the world doesn't need unrest. It needs peace. War brings only destruction.
It brings death.
Devi! 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 Listen to me! Devi! Leave them in palace! I can't live without them! Devi! Please! 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 Devi!
Suffering remains unshaken. This is not arrogance, Ashok. It is pride. Pride in my motherland and myself. The world is far greater than your narrow visions and ambitions. No one but God can lay claim to the entire universe. What you call the world is but a fraction of reality. Is that so? Then tell me, what is your world, King Anantha? My world? My world is my kingdom, my motherland. It means everything to me and I will defend it with my last breath. Don't you know what Chand Ashok does in the battlefield? He leaves nothing but death and destruction in his wake. I have heard tales of his cruelty, Ashok, but they do not frighten me. Look, Anantha, one of my queens hails from Kaling. I really do not wish to destroy this land, to see its men slaughtered and its women widowed. Surrender, make peace with me, be my ally. The word friendship exists in your speech, but not in your tone. Friendship with you, Ashok, would be the greatest misfortune of my life. Friendship with Ashok would be the greatest misfortune of your life. Then such a life as that deserves only one end. Pratibha! defied the royal command and did not come.
I did not defy a command. At that time, I had no need for Diksha. The Buddha teaches us to ask only for what is necessary and nothing more.
Later, in the torture chambers, you all were subjected to many torments, yet none of them seemed to affect you.
There are no torments within us, and the torments of the outer world do not affect us either.
Where do you all find the strength to endure?
Everything we have is a gift from the Buddha.
Can Buddha save you from death?
He has no need to do such things.
What if I were to burn you alive? How will your Buddha reduce that pain?
There is no pain.
Not yet, but when you are burning alive, there will be pain.
Try it and see.
Burn him alive!
Brother, you have seen for yourself the power of the Buddha's name. Awaken the strength within yourself and follow the path of the Buddha.
This, I killed all our brothers, spared only you, and yet here you are offering me wisdom as if none of that happened.
Perhaps that's the very reason I was spared, brother. Perhaps it was my destiny to guide you to the path of the Buddha.
It would have been better if I had killed you then.
You can still do it if you wish. You are Ashok. You can kill me if you wanted. But killing me won't change the truth.
I didn't kill you then, and I won't kill you now. But I don't want to see your face anymore. Leave! Nigrod, I killed your father Sushim. Your life's sole purpose should be to seek revenge for his death. Take this sword and avenge your father's murder. This is the end of your search. Take the weapon. Fight me. Seek your revenge. I won't go down easily. Take the sword.
I don't need a sword. There is no revenge in my heart. I have already forgiven you.
Forgiveness? How can you forgive someone who killed your father? That's impossible.
On the Buddha's path, nothing is impossible.
Buddha! 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 Take him away from here! Leave! Buddha!
Awaken the peace inside you. Only then can it spread to the world and become the foundation for global harmony. My son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra will be my messengers of peace for the world.
Anger is like holding a burning coal. With the intent to throw it, it's someone else. But in the process, you are the first one to get burned.
Live in the present. The past is gone. The future has not yet come. All that exists is the present moment. The good you can do, you can only do now. Don't let it slip away.
Spread these three truths far and wide, that a generous heart, kind speech, and a life of service and goodwill can bring humanity back to life. My son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra, you are dear to me, but I cannot keep you close out of attachment. Go to distant lands, build stupas, spread Buddha's message to the world. Establish peace throughout the world. I too will devote my life to this cause. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
है चंड शोक भ्रांति त्याग ही सके अगर को सारी सृष्टि है मांगती। शांति 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 शांति। चाहिए इस विश्व को अब शांति की क्रांति। पुस्तकें प्रत्येक धर्म की बात ये मानती। शांति 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 शांति। सभ्यता विकसित वही जो सत्य इतना जानती। सभ्यता विकसित वही जो सत्य इतना जानती। शांति शांति शांति।
Wow! That was a spellbinding performance by all the students. The play Samrat Ashok, Journey from a Warrior to a Peacemaker, directed by Mr. Atul Satyakaushik and his team, has truly brought history to life on stage, leaving us spellbound by its grandeur, emotion, and